special marine warning for Atchafalaya and East Coast Blanche Bays, Vermilion and West Coast Blanche Bays, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near West Coast Blanche Bay, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Coast Blanche Bay. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. These are the 8 p.m. observations.